Good morning to all from this amazing hotel. Walking up here feels like a dream, and you already know the first thing on our mind is breakfast. And let me tell you, the buffet was next level. We took rounds to complete our breakfast cravings. To start off with our first round, I took some fruits, my favorite watermelon juice, and a toast. Moving on, I like to take some pancakes and sausages. I'm seriously living for this morning vibe. Just good food, chill atmosphere, and the perfect start to the day. Second round of breakfast. And let's see what she gets.
पोहा
What are you having? Puri and chole.
छोले भटूरे पोहा
So that's her second round. Chole bhature, sandwich and chai.
very nice man.
And my second round is toast, poha and butter chai. What's gonna be your third round?
Omelette.
Omelette.
And then dessert. This is my third round.
And I'm still on my second round. This is my third. Fourth round, which is all about chocolates. So first you pour milk, and then you put some chocolate in it.
Chef Sampan Naran.
And put it as per your requirement. And then you leave it for someone else to take. The next way of doing it is with the bowl.
There.
You take one bowl, put chocolate, and then you add cold milk. This looks more fancy.
Comment down below if you like it this way or this way.
But now it's time to head out and explore the city. We got a packed ahead, historical streets, hidden gems, and of course some insane local food spot. We headed on to our next hotel where we were actually gonna stay for the next 2 days. And when we entered the hotel, we got a welcome drink and we really enjoyed. Reached to our second destination. We're checking in the new hotel. The hotel. First, I'll give you the room tour. This is our room. Yes, we have 2 beds to enjoy, and we have a TV, we have a sofa, and the interiors are pretty nice. They give you a little village vibe, very raw village vibe, and we have a small balcony. Come, where is it? How do I open it? This is our small balcony. Come. We have 2 chairs which are next to each other. Show the chairs. Very good chair. And a little. We have a good view. Coming up to the main part of every room. The washroom. It's quite big and spacious. I love the tap and the sink.
Sink.
Or whatever you call it. And yes, you have a bathtub. And a shower area. And something that I'll never show you. No. Now she's gonna do the ritual of a. What is this? This is not how you do a ritual.
This is how we do it.
No.
This is how every bedroom's bed has to be inaugurated. Like this.
No, this is not how you inaugurate. I'll show you. Wait. You
No,
see.
You do there.
Okay, I'll show you.
No, you do there.
हाँ तो I'm doing there only. Shoe. Wait. Alright. Am I visible?
Yeah.
Okay. First you remove the shoe, and then you stand at a little distance, and then you go and jump. Yeah. That's how you inaugurate.
This man right here has not only stolen all
It's
the
not called
toiletries from the washroom of the previous hotel, like so,
It's not
All of
called
these.
stolen. These are mine. I paid for
but
it.
also stolen tissue packets. मतलब अभी ये सब सोप एंड ये सब लेना कम पड़ गया था कि अब टिश्यू पैकेज भी हम होटल से लेने लगे
she
हैं.
got herself a shaving kit and a shower cap. So now what app are you using to book for the cabs?
Okay, so I'm gonna show.
This is really cool feature in Nepal and in the cab booking apps, which she's gonna just show you right now.
So,
Yeah.
So this is the InDrive app
Mm-hmm.
here. So I'm gonna put where I want to go, which is Swayambhu. Nah. Okay. So the recommended fare it shows me is 350 NPR. I'm gonna change my recommended fare. I'm gonna put 300. Done. I can even go lower till the time it does not ask me that this is done. It's still showing me it's okay. So I'm still gonna go lesser. Done. Okay.
You click on find the driver, then it'll show you.
No.
Yes. You put find the driver and then it'll show you.
No, it should.
You put find the driver, then it'll show
See,
you.
it's also giving me an option to automatically accept the nearest driver for 150.
Okay. Turn it on.
That means 150 is this thing or no?
No, this is changing as per your
Acha, okay,
thing.
got
When
it.
you do find the driver, then it'll tell you this is the minimum you can go.
No, I have to. Okay, let's just consider 200.
200. Yeah.
Okay,
so
then
minimum fare it
shows
says
me
is 243.
Minimum fare has to be 243.
So you do a bidding of 250.
I'll do for 250.
You are bidding.
And then I'm gonna find a driver.
Yeah. Now she's gonna get multiple
So
bids all
actually the
around.
recommended fare is 350, but I have put my offer as 250. So I'm gonna see if somebody accepts this offer or not.
Yeah.
They can also give me a counter offer, maybe like 275, maybe 300, whatever. So see, you can see that 4 drivers are viewing my offer right now. of
We're waiting for the
250.
reply. So we have
And
got
then
one reply.
One has asked me to pay 288.
Are there more coming in?
No, I don't think so. So I'm just gonna accept this.
Accept. Congratulations.
So basically, recommended fare was 350, but then I put my bid at 250, and then I closed the deal at 288. So I still saved about 62 NPR.
So whenever you're in Nepal, do download this app.
Yeah, this is very cool.
This is not a sponsored video, but this is what we experienced and we liked it so far, that you can sort of do bidding. It's like a bidding game, so you bid.
Yeah, it's actually fun.
It's so cool, and I think the owner needs to be given an award for this, for bringing bidding system in, cabs.
Yeah, it's actually fun to do that. So the last time when I booked a cab in the morning to come to this hotel, I got like 4 bids. One was like 250, 275, 300, and then I booked the 251.
Cool cab.
For the next 2 days, every day. Fun.
Yeah, so much, na?
Yeah.
You then open a proper trading account.
Shut up. Yeah, I can do that. I actually think that I might be good at it.
When we reached to our next destination, the cab driver dropped us at the exit of the Swayambhu temple, where we had to really climb. Eating a lot in the wedding. She's gonna climb all the way up. You see?
4 kg.
All the way up.
And tomorrow we have to go bungee jumping. So I
Yeah.
have to reduce weight. So the only way to do it
But she's
is-
overweight for bungee jumping.
No.
Bungee jumping is 40 kgs and she's gone 95.
No, bungee jumping is 80 kgs is allowed.
Acha ji. Okay, so we're going up there. Some building. It's the top after climbing like 3000 steps. But the view from here is amazing. And of course the temple. First I'll show you the view. Wow. It's like top of Nepal sort of. That's the temple around. And you'll get all sorts of shopping things to do. There are monkeys. But yeah, just be careful, because the monkeys can catch your phone and then do a barter for food with you. Jao. Candles. So we're in the main Tamil market and we're just going to book our bungee jumping activity for tomorrow. And I'll show you the location. This is the pretty, what it's called, Sagar Matha Bazaar, Mandala Street. And you'll find all sorts of cafes. You want to buy souvenirs and whatever you want to buy jewelry, you'll get it here. मस्त जगह है ये.
वो कौन?
Hey, this is so cool. That's the bungee. Doing it from the last resort. She's already done it, but I'm doing it for the first time.
I've done a tandem swing before, but I've not done bungee. So it's the first time for me as well.
Good. Tomorrow you're gonna see.
Yeah,
the
last
locations.
resort. But the,
This
I
is
did
a
the tandem swing.
168 meters high. Cheers. I ordered for a jhol momo, and this is how it comes. What is the jhol in this?
It's the spices that they use for the.
It comes in curry, and you can have it. But unfortunately, it's veg. I'm having veg momo
Give me the plate.
because I like having veg momo.
So much you crave. So much you crave.
No, I love veg momo. Who told I don't?
Take, put it in your. तेरा face तो आई नहीं
It's
ना.
okay. इसको capture करना है. How's it? Is it similar to what you had before?
No,
Better or worse?
that was better.
Okay, so we are going there day after tomorrow.
Yeah, it's that place is called Roadhouse Cafe. अरे
सड़क वाला घर का कैफे. Right now we'll enjoy our momo. You also enjoy your momo with your chutney and mayo. After having beer and everything, this cafe. Well, these cafes are situated in these small gullies, if you want to say. But they look shady. Yeah.
Look what's written. You can't go to heaven in this lifetime.
Yes.
You can go to the local Nepal.
Yes.
And that's almost the same thing.
You're in heaven, boys. We're in heaven. Sink Tattu. It's a cool place, right?
Yeah, it looks fun.
Mm. Wow. It's a good photography spot as well. This is Choila Momo. Some weird Momo that she loves.
Not me.
Yeah, apparently. So you come to this cool cafe where you can scribble on the table and you can actually write anything and everything that you feel like. This whole place is all about scribbling. Such a cool place, no? You are free to draw, write anything that you like, and she's trying to already scribble in a very scary way. that in one corner.